Nataka kuchukua mbili but pesa yangu ni kubwa. Nikulipe na simu?
Ni sawa. Tuweke mbili.
Nataka tu mbili. We are buying pumpkin leaves. Then go ahead and buy onions and baby corn. Wow, look at these pumpkins. They are really fresh. Let me know if you've ever tasted them. So, unauzaje? Yo? Ini how much? So, utanipatia ya soup. Wow, look at that, my people. Kenyan men don't lazy around. Look at how they're doing their job. Wow, wow. It really amazes me. Hi. Guess what, guys? I'm from the market. And I'm going to surprise you with something, you know. You can't imagine even it's me. So, on today's vlog, let us cook Mount Kenya food, you know. But before we even continue, tell me at the comment section the types of Mount Kenya food you know. Yeah? Because today I'm going to cook Mokimo. Yeah, it's Mokimo. I'm going to show you all the procedures. So stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You know, just give it a thumbs up. Just share your love by giving it a thumbs up as we go on. And yeah, tell me the type of Mount Kenya food you know at the comment section. I've told you one is Mokimo. So guys, before we go direct into the cooking of the Mokimo, I want you to look at my outfit. This is the outfit of today. Let me know, how do I look? Huh? It just brings the mood of Africa. Wow, right? This is it. Wow, let me know, how do I look in this attire? Continue wearing such outfit? Let me know at the comment section. Anyway, let us not waste time. Let's go and prepare the ingredients for cooking the Mokimo. Yeah, I have maize. Yeah, and this is not the dry maize, you know, like the one for cooking ugali. No, yeah, it is not really dry. Like, in short, you should not use hard maize. Yeah. And here I have pumpkin leaves. Yeah, in my local dialect we call is it Lisebebe? I've forgotten, guys, but let me know, how do you call pumpkin leaves in your local language? Kindly drop a comment. This is the leaves. I'm going to show you how we do traditional here. I have the potatoes here. Now I also have the onions. By the way, I would recommend you using these onions other than the red onions. Like, it really makes the Mokimo tasty, you know. Yeah, and now because I don't have a blender, I am going to use this to pound the pumpkin leaves. That is after boiling it. Yeah. But then this is a Kenyan food. What Mokimo is a Kenyan food, and it is really nutritious, you know. Drop a comment. What are some of the importance of tell me the benefits of Mokimo if you know. Drop a comment. The benefits of Mokimo, what are they? Especially these leaves. What are some of the benefits of these leaves? Well, let us now prepare the pumpkin leaves. And by the way, I'm not going to cut into small pieces. I'll just boil the leaves the way it is, just the way it is. Yeah, I'm not going to cut into small pieces. Yeah, I'm only going to remove the outer part. How do we call the outer part of pumpkin leaves? How do we call it? Drop a comment and let me know. Yeah. Let me just say the outer part. I don't know the correct name. You can help me at the comment section. So this is how we do. Woo! Cheers! I forgot to tell you this part. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to tell you this part, but I think we can do it.
Wow, now that everything is set and ready, let's put it on a fire.
Yeah, let that go. 15 minutes, we come back and check if it has really boiled and how is the boil, Then we add more 15 minutes if that is hazitakuwa zimeiva. 15 minutes, it's over, guys. Let's test if it's almost there. Ooh. Not yet, not yet. Some are ready, some are not. So let's give it 15 minutes more. Minutes is already over, and as you can see, it's ready. Now let's do the pounding. Yeah. Just turn as if you're cooking ugali. So one part to go, guys. We are remaining with the onions. So I'm going to put the onions on fire and burn it with the cooking oil until it turns golden brown. Then we come add up here. Oh my goodness! I know you're now celebrating. I'm proud being a Kenyan. Oh my goodness! I wish you're all here. Taste this, you can't miss to drop a nice comment for your girl. Did I do it right way? And let me know some of your requests on Instagram, because I'll attach the Instagram link on the description box, so make sure you click it and let me know some of your requests. What do you want me to cook? Yeah, and tell me, did I did this the right way? Oh my goodness, you know, Team D will never fail. Yeah, and it is road to 1,000 subscribers, so let's do it like by the end of this January. Yeah? We should take our channel to 1,000 subscribers plus. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share this link on your social medias. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let's cut off the story. Let's go and burn the onions. Onion is ready. We are going to add. So let me add some oil first. That's oil. Then onions. Hey, Kapu. Hey. Come tell our fans hi.
Hi, to subscribe to Auntie channel.
Yeah, guys, this is my little niece. Yeah, she's happy. I'm done with the onions and turning it around till it's appear like this. We are going to return it on the fireplace and heat it a bit, okay? Oh my goodness, the aroma is just on another level. Kindly give me a congrats at the comment section, you know? Give me that's an emoji of kudos, like, yeah, you did it. Congratulate me at the comment section, guys, if I did good job for you. This is our end product. It's really yummy. It's really yummy.